The Lagenio K9 is a feature-packed 4G smartwatch designed specifically as a controlled smartphone alternative for kids ages 5 to 12. It bridges the gap between basic trackers and full-blown smartphones by offering reliable communication and location tracking paired with kid design AI learning tools. I ended up receiving this smartwatch for my honest review and testing. You can end up getting this in 3 different colors: purple, black, and also blue as well. When it comes to the hardware, this has 1.78-inch AMOLED display. Inside we have a quad-core CPU running Android 8.1 with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of storage. This smartwatch also has something pretty unique: 5-megapixel front-facing camera. It is also IP68 rated with 700 mAh battery. And best of all, it has 4G LTE support. It runs on the Nano SIM, and on top of that, you have the Wi-Fi and the GPS, making it far more comfortable for smaller wrists. As I just mentioned earlier, this has AMOLED display, and I gotta say, it looks absolutely gorgeous. So unlike low-quality TFT panels, the AMOLED display provides rich colors, wide viewing angles, clear outdoor visibility, and a built-in eye protection for kids. Another amazing feature about the smartwatch is the built-in Neo AI assistant. It is activated by holding down a physical side button, so it won't accidentally trigger in a backpack or during class. Neo AI responds on screen via text rather than out loud audio, keeping interactions quiet in public or school settings. Kids can ask homework questions, practice sentence writings, hear stories, or generate custom AI drawings right from their wrist. When it comes to communication and tracking, it supports two-way HD voice calls, high-definition video calls, and group messaging over 4G LTE networks. It does require Nano SIM card from compatible carrier. To do all that, it does have that 5-megapixel HD camera, which is a huge upgrade over standard 0.3-megapixel sensors on basic trackers, letting kids snap clean photos and stream clear video calls. This watch also uses a multi-source positioning engine, GPS, Wi-Fi, LBS, and the AGPS for millisecond-level location tracking on the parent app. And finally, pressing and holding the dedicated SOS button immediately alerts pre-programmed parent contacts. Speaking of parents, you do have some pretty good controls on this smartwatch. First one is the whitelisted contacts, so only contacts approved inside the Lagenio parent app can call or text the watch, blocking spam calls and strangers. You also have school and class mode, which disables games, notifications, and incoming calls during school hours while leaving emergency SOS functional. There's zero social media, keeps kids away from open browsers or social media platforms. And finally, this is going to be IP68 waterproof. It is built to withstand daily wear, sink splashes, hard washing, and sudden rain showers. So if you want a first phone step that gives your child age-appropriate independence without handing over smartphone, the Lagenio K9 delivers on almost every front. The addition of AMOLED screen, 5-megapixel camera, and quiet AI helper makes it feel more modern and engaging for kids in the 8 to 12 bracket, while the geofencing, whitelisted contacts, and school mode gives parents peace of mind. Just make sure to pick up a compatible 4G Nano SIM card with a basic talk data plan to unlock its full potential.